Good morning, Sara from the Organising School. Just got a question for you. Do you have any storage solutions around your home that used to work for you and now no longer work? So this is one of the items for me. This is a pod holder for my Nespresso. So I'll just show you how it works. You open up the back and you put all the different pods into the back, and then they drop down to the bottom and you just pick them up. So I used to have it, there's my Nespresso machine, and I used to have it up here and it worked perfectly. I could grab a pod and make a cup of coffee. But what has happened as I've got busier and busier is I just do this. So I put the pods beside in a box and I hate it. And I just grab the pods out, but I no longer, so I used to do it for about a couple of years. I used to keep restocking that, and now I don't. So it's time to admit that and put this in to be recycled. I'm going to donate it, and I've already come up with a solution that I would like to buy instead. So I'm going to buy some see-through containers that stack and just have the pods in there instead. So my question to you, is this happening anywhere around your home? Is it time to donate it and just think of an easier, a better way of doing it? If it's now no longer working, it's time to change, because if it's just sat there, there is no point having it. Have a great day.